Hey, how's everyone doing? Good day, good evening. This is Douglas. It's a Wednesday. I'm getting ready to do a training tonight, but I wanted to share some information that I was so excited about. I just found out we just added a brand new benefit to our life insurance policy. So I wanted to share that with the world. So sit back tight and just listen to this. It's awesome. We're the only company today that offers this benefit. So I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to talk to you about it and tell you. I'm going to actually show you the benefit inside my own policy. And the good news for all my existing clients, this benefit is retroactive. So we're going to add it to all your policies. I'm going to send you something and we could add it to your plan. So sit back. Let me show you what I put together for everyone for your view. All right. Let me get this PowerPoint up. So here we go, folks. We have a new rider, and I highlighted them in red, but I'm going to go over all the 5 benefits that is so exciting. We have terminal illness, chronic illness, critical injury, lifetime income benefit rider. But I'm going to talk about that for a minute. What is terminal illness? Well, terminal illness is a situation where somebody is diagnosed with cancer, and the doctor said they have a year or 2 years to live. Our company will cut them a check, and I'm going to show you my policy so you can see how much money they're going to cut me if that should happen to me. Chronic illness, on the other hand, is if you cannot perform 2 out of 6 activities of daily living. That means bathing, continence, dressing, eating, toileting, and transferring, or you're cognitively impaired. Our company will pay you money if that should happen. I'm going to talk more about that in a few minutes. The third one that we have is critical illness. Now, this here is so powerful. If a person is diagnosed with a critical illness, which basically means this: they have a heart attack, stroke, blindness, cancer, major organ transplant, our company will give them money to use to take care of that situation, or to travel, do whatever they want to do, pay their mortgage. I'm going to talk more about that. And the fourth one that we have is the critical injury. Now, that's a big deal because no other company in the industry offer this. So now we have life insurance. You don't have to die to use the new type of life insurance. So what is the critical injury? Well, do you know somebody that suffered a coma, paralysis, severe burns, traumatic brain injury? If that should happen, they have access to the death benefit up front. They don't have to die to use the benefit. That is huge, folks. I know so many people that have friends that ride bikes or travel or do different things. They get into a major accident with a traumatic brain injury. Guess what? They laid up in the hospital. These are business owners. These are family friends of yours. These are people that you know. Well, the banks don't care. They'll foreclose their property. Well, our company will pay them money and give them money up front so they could use for whatever they choose for. Now, the final one, lifetime income benefit rider. What is that? That means this, folks. How many people do you know retire from their jobs and they run out of money? We're the only company that offer this rider in a life insurance policy that allows you to receive income from your life insurance policy for the rest of your life. Woo! I love it. So let me show you my plan. So this is my policy. This is something that I've put together that I have. This is my own life insurance policy. I'm just talking about the benefits. So if you see here, it's just a quick example. If I'm, God forbid, and we knock on wood, we don't plan for stuff like this to happen, but if it does happen, I'm diagnosed with terminal illness, the company will cut me a check for $1.2 million at age 65. So if I'm 65 years old and I'm diagnosed with cancer and I'm laid up in the hospital, I need to pay my mortgage, take care of family, do different things. Guess what? I'll get this money up front to take care of my responsibilities. That's awesome. The second one is chronic illness. Again, if I'm chronically ill, I cannot perform 2 out of 6 activities of daily living. I can't feed myself. I can't bathe. I can't do any of those things. I need a nurse or family member to take care of me. The company will cut me a check for $8,000 a month at age 50, 60, $16,000 a month, age 65, $20,000 a month, age 70, $24,000 a month. That's like I call it a mini long-term care policy. So for those of you that don't own a long-term care policy, this actually kind of helps you in that situation. You could use this in place of that. But if you own one, perfect, awesome. Final, critical illness or chronic injury. If I'm critically ill or chronically injured, guess what? If it's a minor heart attack, $113,000 age 50. If it's life-threatening, $837,000. If I'm at age 60, it happens, $397,000. $1 million will be paid to me if I'm critically ill or critically injured. Folks, the key here is it doesn't matter what happens. I'm taken care of. I'm going to be protected no matter what. At the end of the day, when it's all said and done, I'm making sure that I am protected no matter what happens to me if I ever have financial earthquake. So if you know an agent out there that doesn't offer this benefit and he wants to add this to his portfolio, have them contact our company. Contact the agent that represents Lago Financial Services that shared this video with you and say, listen, I want that benefit for my policy, because the last thing I want to happen is I'm diagnosed with a sickness. I'm a business owner. I have cancer, heart attack, stroke, and I'm begging the banks not to foreclose or not to take my business away. I don't want that. I want a life insurance policy that's going to give me money to take care of my needs. So folks, our company is growing. We thank you so much. We're looking for more agents to come work with us. So if you know somebody out there that would like to offer these benefits to his clients, his family members, have them contact us. If you are yourself, if you're interested in doing this business part-time, it's a business. This is a business, but you know the difference? We're helping people and you seeing some of the benefit. That's why I'm so passionate about what I do. That's why I love this business. Contact us and let's help America. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thanks for the referrals. We're growing and we're excited about it, and we're looking for winners to come join us. And we pick out the best companies in the industry to do business with. That's why we're brokers. We pick the company. We're independent contractors. We're not captive. We're independent contractors. Thank you so much. Take care and God bless.